Hi friends, myself Premanan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. This is my next video about Mac OS. I'm just using a Lion version of the Mac, and in this video I will tell you to upgrade the browser. Actually, Mac OS is giving a browser that is Safari. You can see here, this is Safari and this is the browser it is defaultly giving. Now I would like to install any other browsers. So I am just choosing Chrome because it is a good one, because it is also giving a translation facility. If I want to read any other language sites such as Arabian, Persian, or if I want to read a Chinese page, it will help me so well. Okay, now I am just going to Safari. I just click on download and accept the terms, and you can see here it starts download. Now I already downloaded one, you can see here. Okay, I just double click on that, you can see here it is verifying. Actually the graphics are so impressive, just see this. Wow, it's really nice. I just like this one. Okay, it is just reading. This is the image type file. Actually DMG file is using for any of the packages. I just think that this is a type of image file, just like ISO and DNG. You can see here. I'm just waiting patiently for this installation. Checking volumes, finishing. Yes, here it comes. It's done, and this is the application palette, and I will get that from here. If I want to put that here, I can put that. You can see here. It will take a while. Now I am just opening this package. You can see here. Here comes Google Chrome. You can see here there are so many facilities totally different from. Actually, we just use Windows, and that is on the right side. Everything close, minimize, maximize, everything is on the right side. Now it is on the left side. It will take a while to install. Process is going on. It's really time consuming because I am just using a metered connection. You can see here, this is applications. Actually it is working. Yes, you can see here. Here comes my favorite Google Chrome. It's going to just keeping me tracing. Yes, here comes Google. Okay, I would like to tell you that please subscribe me on my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. I think you will enjoy this journey with me. You can see here my YouTube channel here. If you are not getting this one, just go to videos, you will get that from here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.